Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the 4-point bending and at the same time fire analysis with direct method of a hollow concrete slab here. You can see these are the rigid body to consider the 4-point bending, and this is the hollow concrete. We apply fire load on the bottom surface as the convection, conduction, and radiation. And if I click here, you can see this is the stress which come from both bending and fire analysis with direct method. If I click on animate, you can see here the stress in the model. And you can see the S22 or Tresca stress or anything. And now let me check the temperature. Here, this is the temperature here, around 750 degree at the bottom, and then we have conduction in the hollow concrete during 2 hours of the firing load. We can check, for instance, contact stress, shear stress, or we can check the heat flux or nodal temperature. The nodal temperature is about 1000 degree. You can see that with direct method. So we can check force displacement diagram plotted. See, this is the force displacement diagram. After contact, we have increase in the force, and at this point we can consider that the failure happened because we have reverse direction of the diagram. You can also get anything from the field output. Continue for the unique nodal, for instance, nodal temperature for a point here. Plot it. Plot it. Here you can see it increases till 20 degree to around 400 degree. Or we can check it for a point here. For instance, plot it. See, it is more than 500. Or we can check, for instance, the stress. You can see the stress for it. We have the maximum here. It is 350 megapascal here, or anything else. So if you need to model the bending, 4-point bending, and at the same time fire analyzing, you can use this tutorial. This is the step-by-step tutorial, and you can find it on our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial, click on a title, then you will have a title, short explanation about the geometry and definitions, then the assembly, a step interaction load, and then the result as figures you can see. The cost for the CAINP English video file and Excel file for the material is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Contact me for the further information about the payment and this tutorial. We have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all things Abaqus. This package covers all simulation and modeling method in Abaqus. For instance, we have main titles here for explosion. The explosion package contains Eulerian Lagrangian method, Eulerian small particle hydrodynamic, acoustic, convex, and pure Lagrangian method for any materials here. Impact high and low for all the materials. Welding with all types, biomechanics, forming, and other. You can read it here. So you can provide this affordable package, and that is so suitable for a student. And if you want to provide this full package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.